Okay, y'all. So on the menu today, will be key lime bars, y'all. Absolutely delicious. You can make it into bars or you can make it into key lime pie. Okay, so y'all go ahead and get your pad, paper, computer, cell phone, whatever it is you take notes on. Go ahead and get it so you can go ahead and write this recipe down. And so you can go ahead and share it with your friends and family. And y'all, can you do me a favor? If this video helps you in any way, can you go back and subscribe after it's over? Go on ahead. If you do, go on ahead, hit that bell and press all. And if you can, give me a thumbs up. YouTube loves when you guys give me a thumbs up. It does something to the algorithm or whatever that thing is. Anyway. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will be back to check on y'all. Oh, yeah. And the recipe is on the screen. The recipe, instructions, directions, all that is on screen. Like I say, go on ahead and get that stuff so you can write the stuff down with, you know what I'm saying? So you can share this on any occasion, and it's about to get cold and the holidays about to come and people gonna love this. You can turn this into a parfait. I almost forgot about that. You could put this in a cup and everybody will love it. All right, y'all, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm glad to see you stayed on. All right, now I like that. Now y'all go on down and comment down below if you've ever had key lime pie, and did you like it? Did you have a parfait, a pie, or the bars? Comment down below and let me know, y'all. And can you see how easy it is? I mean, this is as easy as 1, 2, 3, right? I mean, my God, no sugar, no eggs, none of that. It's just simple, a very simple and delicious dessert. So quick, you can make this easily. All right, y'all, now y'all go on ahead and finish enjoying the video, and I will see you all at the end. I just want to thank you all for your time. I'm so glad you all came on and spent a little bit of time with me, and I hope this video helped somebody. I plan to see everybody for the next video. I hope you all stay safe. Please stay safe. And I always say on my videos, if you are already a subscriber, I always say, wash your hands and leave your shoes at the door. Okay, y'all? Now, until the next video, let's see. What am I going to do for the next video? Should it be a vlog? Should it be food? Should it be talking? I don't know. Y'all stay tuned. And don't forget, turn that bell on so you can get that ring ring whenever I go on. Okay, y'all? All right. Until next time, I have got to go. I am out. Headed to the store. I'm so tired of going to the store, but I gotta get some stuff. I gotta make some. All right, y'all. All right, bye.